Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where I bring you the best tech tips and tricks. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook name right from your Windows computer. Whether you are updating your name or professional reasons, I have got you covered. Let's dive in. First, make sure you log into your Facebook account, open your favorite browser. I will go for Google Chrome and then come over into search bar and going to search for Facebook. After click on Facebook, once you're logged in, look into the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture or the drop down arrow to open the menu. And then you just need to click on Settings and Privacy. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called Settings. If you click on that, then you just need to come over into your Meta Account Center at your left side. If you click on that, your Meta Account Center will be open. And after that, you will get your option over here called Account Center. And then you just need to click on Profiles over here. And then you just need to click on your Facebook account. And then here you will get the option called Name or Username. If you click on Username, then you can select the username over here. But I will go for this name over here. And you can see my name is set into Robert Peterson. If you want to change the name, you can simply change the name. I will going to change the name with, and then click on Review Change. And if you want to change it away William or William away, you can select it as well. So I'm going to select William away, click Done. And now that's it. Your name is changed into your Facebook. And now if you go for your Facebook like this, just simply go for your Facebook. And now you can see your name is completely changed into your Facebook, William away. So this is how you can change your Facebook name by using computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.